Hey everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna make egg curry. It's not the usual curry we make. This is little different. Dhaba egg masala. Let's get started. For this recipe, I have taken 1 red onion and 100 grams of shallots into a paste. For this curry, we need little extra oil. So 3 tablespoons of sesame oil, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, and 1 teaspoon of jeera. Add the ground onion paste. You can add chopped onion also. If you grind and add, you'll get more curry. Fry for about 2 minutes. This is 1 big tomato, roughly chopped. Also 3 green chilies, a few curry leaves. Saute it for a minute. Now let's add the masalas. Turmeric powder, half a tablespoon. 1.5 tablespoon of chili powder. 2 tablespoons of coriander powder. 1 tablespoon of sambar powder. 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder. 1 teaspoon of jeera powder. Mix all of this well. Add little water to fry the masalas, or else the masalas will get burnt. Mix well and cook the masalas for about 2 to 3 minutes. Masalas has cooked well and the oil started to come out. Add 2 cups of water. Give it a nice mix. Add salt as per your taste. Mix well. Add drumstick. And I have boiled 1 big potato with skin. I'm adding this here. Give it all a good mix. Add boiled eggs. Make a slit on the egg so that the masalas will get into the eggs. Mix well. Drumstick has to cook, so cover and cook on low heat for 5 minutes. In this stage, add crushed ginger garlic. I have taken 8 cloves of garlic and half an inch of ginger. Mix very well. Now add a handful of mint and coriander leaves. Add half a cup of coconut milk. After adding coconut milk, it should not be on the stove for a long time. Wait for a boil and turn off the flame. Mix all of this very well. Cover it and let it cook for a minute. Dhaba egg masala is ready. Switch off the stove. Try this curry at home. You will like it. Thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Happy cooking!